Why do cats purr when they sleep? You might think it's just a sign of contentment, but their nighttime purrs hold surprising secrets about health and comfort you never expected. When cats purr during sleep, they're not only relaxed but also triggering a natural healing process. The vibrations from purring occur at frequencies between 25 and 150 Hz, which studies show can stimulate bone growth and repair tissues. This helps cats recover faster from injuries or stress, making their sleep a vital time for body maintenance. Cats use purring as a self-soothing technique, similar to how humans might hum or take deep breaths to relax. Even while asleep, this gentle vibration helps lower stress hormones and creates a feeling of safety and comfort. It's why you often see cats purring softly in deep sleep or naps. Purring is also a form of communication. While asleep, cats might purr quietly to signal to their owners or feline companions that they're safe and content. It's a subtle way to maintain social bonds even when not fully awake, showing their trust in their environment. Next time you hear your cat purring in their sleep, remember it's more than just a happy sound. It's a powerful healing tool, a stress reliever, and a quiet message of trust. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.